Karen, this is scraping therapy. So normally we use this one, this scraping board, little one, and then we'll find it in our clinic. We can use this one. So you will need to find that end the edge is not sharp, you know. So in a tiny teaspoon like this, or this one. This is a plastic one, and those are using over use there. Right? So you may not have all this. Definitely not in here, right? But over here, I just tried. It's pretty okay with on this one, or forks over here on this edges, not in here, not sharp one, eh? A bit on here as well, that's fine too. Okay, so what we're gonna do with the comb, and you do this, the spine, so from top down here, on the skin, right? On the skin. So when you do it, put some ointment. Sesame oil is the best, or you can put some water and or olive oil, and just like that. Now I want you to do here to here, right? And as you do it, it may come up with redness. This is a good thing, so don't worry about when it comes to redness, and just don't push it, just gentle, just put it on top, gentle, do not push it. Okay, just on top like this, right? If you use here, very gentle, you're not pushing it at all, right? Just on the surface, very gentle. And when it get redness is because you do it a lot and it'll come out itself, right? Then after this in the middle, you do from middle to the side. Just do all the scapula in here. So your lungs from here to here. So you want to cover all the lung. So remember, it's from the center to the side, from the center to the side, and as well as that side. Just like that. Okay. So oil first and do this. Then after this, and do on the chest. In the middle, or me? Yeah. Okay, or me. In the middle, get your wife to do it in here, on the chest, from here down to here. Then again, that or outward, from the middle to the outside. Right, over here. So it may come up with redness, it may not at all. If it come up with redness, that's good sign, right? Or even after that, you may see some bruise, and that's good, right? And you should feel much better. And do it for about when you can see the redness or blue bruise, and you can stop it. Okay. If you, after 10 minutes, you know, you're scraping it for 10 minutes or this, and it doesn't come with anything, then you can stop it, or half an hour. You can keep doing it. And then keep warm. And after this, drink warm water. Right? Hot or warm water, just a cup. That's it. Thank you.